Hi there, and thank you for trying Todoed. Todoed is an extension for Chrome that simplifies productivity and your daily organization at work. We are currently in beta and open for feedback. Please let us know how we can make Todoed better for you and notify us if you find any bugs in the application. Todoed was created to solve an internal problem we had at Proceed. For example, we use Facebook groups to communicate with our team members. Here, my colleague Raj and I were discussing about improving the copy for our next newsletter. He's asking me to suggest some content changes for it. With Todoed, I can simply highlight any text and convert it into a task. Use the right click over the highlighted text, select Todoed, and pick who you want this task to be assigned. You'll get an automatic notification when it's done. Remember that you can use Todoed on any web application. So I can be reading an article on how to boost the blog subscribers and create tasks out of each of the steps I need to follow. Click on the Todoed icon to see an overview of your tasks or to create a new task using the text box. Open the full list to have a full view of your tasks. You can also filter by open or done status and view the tasks that are assigned to you or the tasks that you have assigned to others. To do this better if you collaborate with others, click on the user's view to invite your peers by entering their email address. They will get an automatic email to sign up. We are looking forward to your feedback. Thanks for listening, and we hope you enjoy it.